Hello community, my name is Mel. I am a board certified holistic nutritionist. I'm also certified in food and spirit. I'm a kitchen witch, I'm an earth mama, and a water goddess. And I want to welcome you into my kitchen on August 11th at 5:30 Pacific. I'm going to teach you how to make tepache. This is something very special to me. Culturally, it's very special, but here's the thing. This is so easy to make. It is so delicious, and it is supportive of what I think is that first brain, which is our gut, that healthy gut bacteria. I'm going to teach you how to make the first stage. I'm going to show you how to do the second stage, and you can either make it along with me or you can watch and ask questions. I do suggest, if you're going to cook along, make sure to read the information in your confirmation, because that's going to tell you exactly what you need to buy in order to show up in your kitchen, enjoying me in my kitchen. All right? See you guys then.